Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We will be looking at some logical question now. So here, as we are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it out. So here, how to solve this problem? So we are going to do this in two ways. Both are same, but the second one will be somewhat easier. So here, first of all, what is given? Given x power 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus x square y square is equal to 221 by 9. So this one, first of all, you can write x square whole square y square whole square plus x square y square is equal to 221 by 9. So here you can write it in a plus b whole square x square whole square y square whole square. Here you can write as 2x square y square minus x square y square is equal to 221 by 9. You are making it as a perfect square. Now here a square plus b square plus 2ab x square plus y square whole square minus x square y square is equal to 221 by 9. So here it is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now this is a and this is b. So x square plus y square plus xy, x square plus y square plus xy x square plus y square plus xy into x square plus y square minus xy is equal to 221 by 9. So here the second equation is given x square plus y square plus xy is 17 by 3. So replace this with 17 by 3 bracket x square plus y square minus xy is equal to 221 by 9. So here it will cancel. So it will go 13 times 13 by 3. 17 table it will go 13 times and 3 will go here 3 times. So here x square plus y square plus xy is equal to 17 by 3. Now I am solving both the equations, these two equations. So here x square plus y square is equal to 4 by 3 you will get. X square plus y square is equal to, okay, here you will get only 5. 17 plus 13. 17 plus 13, 30 by 3. 30 by 3 will get. So 30 by 3, here you will get 2 times of x square y square. So here you'll get 10. So x square plus y square is equal to 5. Now if you replace in second equation, replace in second one, x square plus y square plus xy is equal to 17 by 3. So 5 plus xy is equal to 17 by 3. Xy is equal to 17 by 3 minus 5. So xy is equal to 2 by 3. So xy value is 2 by 3 and x square y square value is 5. Now here what is required? X minus y is required. I am finding x minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2xy. So x square plus y square value is 5 minus 2xy, xy value is 2 by 3 got. So 5 minus 4 by 3. So 5 3 is 15 minus 4 by 3. So x minus y whole square, we are getting 11 by 3. X minus y is equal to 11 by 3 whole square. So x minus y is equal to plus or minus root of 11 by 3. So this is one model. So second model, so the given x power 4 plus y power 4 plus x square y square 221 by 9. So this one we are writing as x minus y whole square plus 2xy whole square minus x square y square is equal to 221 by 9. So let us take x minus y is equal to a, xy is equal to b. So x minus y is equal to a square plus 2b minus b square, here whole square is there, is equal to 221 by 9. Now again it is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So here we will get a square plus 2b plus b, a square plus 2b minus b is equal to 221 by 9. So a square plus 3b and a square plus b is equal to 221 by 9. We'll continue in the next page. From second equation, so x square plus y square plus xy is equal to 17 by 3. This is nothing but x minus y whole square plus 3xy. So is equal to 17 by 3. So this is nothing but a square plus 3b value. 17 by 3. So substitute there 17 by 3 into a square plus b is equal to 221 by 9. So again same cancellation. So you are getting 13 by 3. 13 by 3 are getting. Now a square plus 3b is equal to 17 by 3. Now if you subtract these two, a square get cancelled, minus 2b is equal to minus 4 by 3. B is equal to 2 by 3. Now a square plus b is equal to 13 by 3. A square is equal to 13 by 3 minus 2 by 3, that is 11 by 3. So what is a value? X minus y whole square is equal to 11 by 3. X minus y is equal to plus or minus root of 11 by 3. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.